So it came today. If you don't know what this is and what came today, then I'll just tell you. It's one of the largest wasps in North America, called an eastern cicada killer. I'm really excited because I've never seen any of these wasps in person before. And I'm told that they're huge. So this is me unboxing it. So, my uncle found an eastern cicada killer killing a cicada. And he caught it and the cicada. So, in this, I got a cicada and a cicada killer. It's even better. So, I'm going to be unboxing it now. Yeah. She really did pack it up a lot. Okay, here's the great reveal. Okay, for real this time. I'm pretty sure. Here is the great reveal. It's covered with tape. Finally. It's still wet. Okay, everything's fine. Oh, yeah, it's very strong. Okay. I don't know which one is the cicada killer. So we got these two things right here. So one of them has a cicada killer in it. One of them has a cicada in it. So first, I'm going to open up this one. Let's see what it is. Okay. This is exciting. That is humongous. Oh my gosh. This is me holding the wasp right here. This is its stinger. It's huge. It's really pokey too. Oh my goodness. That is awesome. I might need to wipe it off because it's covered with dirt. I think it's dirt. I don't know. I'm going to set it back here. And in case you want to see, here's the cicada. This is a cicada. Here it is, the cicada killer. It's a really big wasp. There. So I got this in. This is almost as big as the murder hornet. Well, there it is, the eastern cicada killer. This is it compared to a murder hornet, aka the Asian giant hornet. So this right there, that is the eastern cicada killer. That is the murder hornet. So people often mistake this for a murder hornet. And that's why these wasps have kind of a bad reputation. They're actually not aggressive at all. Now, murder hornets are, because they're in the family Vespidae. But all these wasps here aren't aggressive, unless you're talking about this. But yeah. There's only one more wasp in that family that I need. It's called a Caribbean cicada killer. And how convenient that I'm going to Jamaica this winter.